Welcome. Today we are going to make a paper boomerang that looks something like this. We are going to start off with 2 sheets of paper. The materials you need are 2 sheets of paper, some tape, and that's all. Now let's get started. Take one paper, then fold it make the paper horizontal, then fold the top end to the bottom. Then make a crease. After you've done that, unfold it and then take the ends and fold it to the line that's in the middle. Then crease. And make a little bit gap. If you don't make a little bit of gap, it might jam when it's flying in the air. So if you look closely, you can see a little bit of gap. Then do the same thing on the other side. Make a little bit gap and then fold it. Then take this and then fold it like this. Then unfold it and do the same thing again. Then fold it into half like this. Then it should look like something like a stick. Then take the other piece of paper, put the paper you just made on the side. Then take the other piece of paper and do the same thing that we did to the first bit. So fold it in half, unfold, then fold it into the lines, make some gap. Then fold it again, unfold it, make some gap, crease it, then fold it again, then fold it in half, and then now you should have 2 of them. After that, you need to take your tape. Take some tape, then tape it from here. You see these ends? You need to put the tape on the ends. You shouldn't put it on the side or else it might not fly. Put some tape on the ends and put some tape on the ends on the other one too. Then line it up so it looks like a multiplication sign or a addition sign. After you make the sign, take some tape, put it in the corners like that. Then you are done making the double boomerang. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like it. Goodbye.